Since 1999, Tenzi has been a leading Polish manufacturer of professional chemical products. Our motto, "Advantage through quality," represents our commitment to excellence in every aspect of our work. At Tenzi, our success is driven by a dedicated team of professionals. Each team member contributes their unique skills, knowledge and innovative ideas, allowing a dynamic, constant development. Our modern laboratory is the heart of our innovation, where we continuously refine existing products and develop cutting-edge formulas. We operate on modern production lines that enable us to independently package our diverse range of products. We offer a comprehensive selection of container sizes, packaging types and closure options, specializing in capacities from 50 ml to 1000 liters. Our new generation automated dosing and packaging lines significantly enhance production efficiency, allowing us to manage short and long production runs with precision. Beyond our standard offerings, we excel at creating custom preparations tailored to individual client needs. With a modern logistics center capable of accommodating up to 12,000 pallets, we ensure efficient inventory management and effective worldwide product delivery. Our advanced warehouse management systems and process automation enable us to respond swiftly to market demands. We are committed to empowering our clients through specialized training sessions, sharing essential knowledge on the effective and safe use of our products. To facilitate international sales, we offer convenient and practical peel-off labels. Our active participation in major national and international trade fairs allows us to continuously expand our network of global partners. Tenzi products are widely used across various sectors, including automotive, industrial, gastronomy, hospitality and household. We are always ready to embrace new challenges and provide exceptional chemical solutions.